checking out this new Rainforest Carwash here. Give me a menu, coupon, air freshener. Go check it out, see what it do. I got a coupon for a free car wash. I'm gonna take a van through here. This thing is pretty filthy. We're gonna see how it comes out. Got the nice, pretty color soap. Yeah, you know, mechanics, we gotta keep our cars clean. You know, ain't nothing worse than going to work on somebody's car and your car look horrible. They ain't gonna trust you. Your car look raggedy and dirty. So, you gotta keep the vehicles fresh. We're definitely gonna see if this wash is perfect. It's not allowed. It's all mechanical. Stay in your car and let it do what it do. Hopefully it dries the car off decently. A lot of times these kind of car washes will clean your car halfway decent and then dry your car half-assed. So it looks like we're getting a little wax. And this person in front of me got frickin' Michael Myers in the back window. Got a little sign up here that tells us to wait. I guess before we can throw our car and drive. Wait. And go. Cool. Place got free vacuums. A little gator. But we ain't gonna get no vacuum. We just gonna ride on out of here and say what's up to our arm flailing tube man. Rainforest Car Wash, unlimited washes. All right, we're gonna check out and see how it looks on the outside. But yeah, that's it. Holla at you later.